Professor Black Ops, you said let's get it. Discord is a dangerous place. Once again, super short article. Let's go through it. Over a dozen malicious NPM packages caught hijacking Discord servers. At least 17 malware-laced packages have been discovered in the NPM package registry, adding to the recent barrage of malicious software hosted and delivered through open source software repositories such as PyPy and Ruby Gems. DevOps firm Frogs of the libraries now taken down were designed to grab Discord access tokens and environment variables from users' computers, as well as gain full control over the victim's computer. So when you log into Discord, at the top there's tokens and there's tokens inside the session, right? So these packages, right, they're gonna pull those tokens, then what? They're gonna log in as you and impersonate you. The package payloads are vary, ranging from infostealers up to full remote access backdoors. Researcher Andrey and Shachar said in a report published Wednesday. Additionally, these packages has different infection tactics, including typosquatting, dependency confusion, and trojan functionalities. Those are the packages listed right there. I think there was 11 of them. Discord self-boot, Discord lofty, Discord systems, fixers, wafer bind, wafer toggle, wafer image. But you can see them right there on the screen. A prior research has established collaboration and communication tools like Discord and Slack have become handy mechanisms for cyber criminals. With Discord servers integrated into the attack chain from remotely controlling infected machines and even exfiltrating data from the victims. Cyber criminals are using Discord CDN to host malicious files as well as from command and control communications. Cybersecurity firm Zscaler noted in early February, due to the static content distribution service, it's highly popular among threat actors to host malicious attachments and then remain publicly accessible even after removing the actual files from Discord, right? Because they know Discord is popular in Slack, so and everybody's uploading files, so to download and click on a file is, part of business with those things, right? In light of these disclosures, it's no surprise that the theft of Discord access tokens could enable threat actors to use the platform as a covert data exfiltration channel, distribution malware to other Discords, users even sell Discord Nitro premium accounts to other third parties who can then use them for their own campaigns. Even more troubling, the package's prerequisite escort function has a fully fledged remote access Trojans, a Node.js port to Discord RAT that equipped the capture screen, gather clipboard data, execute arbitrary VB script and PowerShell codes, steal password and download malicious files, effectively granting an adversary the ability to take over the developer system. If anything, the development adds to an increasingly disturbing trend of using rogue packages as a stealthy compromise vector to facilitate an array of malicious activity, including supply chain attacks. Public repositories have become a handy instrument for malware distribution. The repository is a trusted resource in communication with it does not raise suspicion of any antivirus or firewalls, researchers said. In addition, the ease of installation, automation tools such as NPM client provides a ripe attack vector for cyber criminals. So long story short, be careful out there on the Discord. They're trying to get you. Once again, Professor Black Ops, cybersecurity for the people. Please subscribe.